Is the Toyota Tacoma TRD Cold Air Intake worth installing on your truck? We're gonna find out, along with how to install it right now. Hey everyone, welcome to Jason Explains Things. My Tacoma Sarge is back for another install video. I'm going to show you how easy it is to install the TRD Cold Air Intake. We'll compare the new intake sound versus stock to see if the engine sounds different, and we'll do some performance testing to see if it makes a noticeable difference. But to kick us off, this is what the stock intake sounds like. And here is a mind-blowing 0 to 60 run. To do this test, I'm using an OBD-Link MX2 Plus, which uses the GPS data from the truck itself that corresponds to an app on my phone. So I will have probably not a very impressive number, but an accurate number for you guys. This is gonna be blisteringly fast, I'm sure of it. 3, 2, 1, go! So fast. 60. 9.23 seconds. Wow. Whew. You guys okay? Is that scary? Pretty scary. All right, awesome. Well, we know what we're dealing with. Back to the shop. The TRD Cold Air Intake can be installed on any 3rd Gen Tacoma with the 3.5 liter V6. Here's the kit all laid out for you. You get a new upper portion of the airbox that looks pretty awesome. You also get a new intake tube, along with a new coupler, bellows, intake flow accelerator, and all the clamps you'll need. If you want written instructions, check the description for a link to these thorough instructions provided by Toyota. For tools, you'll need the following: an 8, 10, and 12 millimeter socket and wrench, some 3/8 extensions, and a torque wrench that measures in inch-pounds. Start by disconnecting the negative lead on the battery. Then remove the engine cover by lifting up. Use a 10 millimeter socket to loosen the inlet tube clamp from the throttle body. Squeeze the clamp that attaches the PVC hose and remove it from the inlet duct. Disconnect the mass airflow sensor wire harness. Unclip the mass airflow sensor wiring harness from the top of the airbox. Then unclip the other wire harness from the resonance chamber. With that done, you can now unclip the 2 clips on the top of the airbox, and the original intake can be removed. Ta-da! Here's the stock air filter. Now, as you probably saw with that sticker on the top of the airbox, I've actually been running a K&N filter. This is probably on par with the TRD, so sell that one, or I'm probably just gonna have, I'm gonna run the TRD filter and just have this K&N one as a backup, but these are also awesome. Remove the 3 10 millimeter bolts that hold in the airbox, and then remove it. I took a little extra time to clean out the throttle body as well as the inside of the airbox. With that done, I used a flathead screwdriver to remove the air inlet duct from the airbox by pushing up on the tabs on the side. Now remove the mass airflow sensor, the wire clip, and the 2 retaining clips from the original airbox lid, and install all those things on the new Fancy Pants airbox lid. Time to assemble the new intake. This may look a little confusing in the instructions, but it's actually really simple because the bellows and coupler can only fit on these pieces one way because of the little slots. Nice job, Toyota. Attach the bellows to the lid, inlet tube to the bellows, and coupler to the inlet tube. Pro tip: align all the clamps so they're easy to access on the engine and so things look nice. Now's a great time to torque the bellows and inner coupler clamps to 30 inch-pounds and then to 35 inch-pounds. Looks pretty cool! In the engine bay, install the TRD air horn into the inner fender, making sure the slot is on top. Then install your assembled airbox with the plastic slot in the air horn. Install the new TRD air filter, and then install the new intake. Tighten the last clamp that attaches the coupler to the throttle body. Attach your mass airflow sensor wiring, the PVC hose to the inlet tube, and torque the throttle body clamp to 30 inch-pounds and again to 35 inch-pounds. Connect your battery and the install is complete. Awesome, the install is complete and it looks awesome. I love the red, I love the TRD badging and everything, but looks aren't everything. So let's test to see if we get any cool new induction sounds. In the driveway, it's hard to hear a difference. When driving around, there is a noticeable change, but only under full throttle. Being honest though, I was hoping for more of a fun induction sound like I've had in previous cold air intakes on other vehicles. Awesome, well that's your sound test, but now it's time for the true finale. Have I turned my Tacoma into some sort of speed demon of some sort? Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go! So fast, so furious, you guys. 9.30. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's so much faster. I can just smell how much faster that was. Okay, that was 9.59. Does this make your truck faster? No, probably not. But hey, you know, it looks cool and it sounds kind of cool when you're really giving it the beans. So there you go. That's Toyota's TRD Cold Air Intake. If you want to watch another one of my videos, there'll be links in the description and in the end card. So thanks for watching, everybody. God bless. Don't forget to do it yourself. So with that, I'll okay.